Hi, to fix one earbud not working problem, as a first step make sure that the earphones itself are charging. For that, open the case and check that the earphone is firmly seated on the charging contacts. There are times when one of the earbuds will not charge because it is not properly seated. So if you notice that the left or right earpiece is not charging, try pressing it lightly in the case or putting something on it to ensure a firm touch. If it didn't help, we can try to reset those earbuds. For that, make sure that both earbuds are seated properly in a charging case, open the lid, and now find this button on the bottom of the case. We will need to hold it so that indicator on the front will turn on purple. Firstly, it will blink blue and then turn on purple. Let's try this out. I'm gonna hold the button and now it is blinking blue, so we are waiting for the purple. And now it's purple, we can release the button and don't forget to remove your earbuds from the Bluetooth list before reconnecting them with the phone again. For that, go in your phone settings. From here, select connections, then go in Bluetooth and simply tap this settings icon to unpair your device and remove it from this paired device list. And then, if you see that this indicator is blinking blue, we can just reconnect them with the phone again. For that, find your device, tap it, here confirm pairing request, and now it is reconnected because we can see the status connected battery percentage and we can see it in this paired devices list. If it didn't help as well, we can clean the contacts. So you need to check the contacts on the earphones and inside the charging case for oxidation or dirt. If you see foreign matter, gently clean them with a cotton swab and a small amount of alcohol or other non-aggressive cleaner. So I'm gonna use this tool to clean this inside part of the charging case. So simply rotate it and gently wipe like that. And I'm gonna take this small elbow brush to clean up those contacts like that. And don't forget about each of the earpiece. So clean the contacts right here, here as well, and on the bottom. And don't forget about this part too. So gently clean everything up, and let's do the same on the left earpiece as well. And also I'm gonna use this soft cloth to wipe everything out gently. And don't forget about the charging port on the case itself. For that, I'm gonna use the small brush as well and clean everything up like this. Also, the problem may be with an app, so try uninstalling this Marshall Bluetooth app if you have it installed and clear the cache in your phone settings. So let's just hold the app and I'm just gonna uninstall it from the device. So let's tap uninstall button like this, tap OK, and now this app is uninstalled. And after that, we can clear trash. For that, we need to open phone settings, select battery in device here, then go in memory. And after it will check the memory, we can see this blue button clean now, so we can clear up some cache and trash. So let's tap the button and now it is cleaning everything, and after that we can reinstall this Marshall Bluetooth app and reconnect the earbuds to the app. Great, it cleared cache, so let's reinstall the app. For that, I'm gonna open Play Store, find this Marshall Bluetooth, tap the button install and wait a few seconds till it would be downloading. And now it is downloaded, so first thing we can do is go back in the settings. From here, select connections, then Bluetooth, and make sure that your earbuds are connected to the phone. And now we can immediately open this app. Here we would need to agree with license And here we can skip this tab, select share or do not share data, tap the next, and now add our earbuds. So let's tap allow for Bluetooth, and now it found our minor 4. We just need to tap this add button, and here we need to confirm pairing request. So now we can check some on-screen instructions and simply tap get started. And now they are reconnected with the app, and we can check battery level for the left, right earbuds and the whole case. And last thing we can do to fix one earbud not working problem is to use alternative chargers. So if one of your earbuds is not charging, try using a charger from other devices such as one suitable for Mi Band or any other compatible magnetic chargers to wake up the earbud. So I used this USB-C cable to charge my earbuds, and now let's try charging them with the help of wireless charger. So here it is. I'm just gonna place earbuds on the top of this charger, and it should charge immediately. And yep, it's working. But if all of this doesn't work, it's wise to take your earbuds to a service center, especially if they are still under warranty. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye!